Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to look at cracking any WinRAR file's password. So the purpose of these videos, if you haven't seen the previous one, we cracked a PDF protected password file, and in this video it's going to be a WinRAR archive file. And the purpose of these videos is to highlight the importance of password complexity, so your passwords are complex when creating them. Now I've got a PDF document on the desktop. There's no password on the PDF document itself. It just says really important document, and the first thing we need to do is create the archive itself. So right click, create archive, .rar extension, so make sure it's the .rar. And I'm going to rename this to really important .rar. Other options, I'm going to click password and set one. So I'll just set this as password and then click create. So now we've got the .rar file which has the PDF in it, and we're going to crack the password using John the Ripper. So I'm already on the desktop, so the terminal's already pointing to the desktop. So if I type ls, you should see your RAR file that you've just created. It doesn't really matter what you call it. And the first thing we're going to do is type RAR to John, and then the name of the file. So really important .rar, just whatever yours is called. Click enter, and you can see it outputs the hash directly to the terminal. And this is what is used to crack the password. Now we want to save this hash in a file. So all we need to do for that is type rar to John again, really important .rar, and then the greater than sign or angle bracket, and then the hash. So you can call this whatever you like. I'll call it pwd.hash, similar to the previous video. Click enter, and now we've got the hash file on the desktop. And all we need to do now is type John pwd.hash and click enter. So it's going to run the basically a dictionary attack. Now, depending on what password you set, it could take, ages. Depending on the complexity of it, this shouldn't take too long. So once it's cracked, we'll show you the result. And there we go. So it took about I'd say 3 minutes, 2 minutes for that. Obviously you didn't see that because I cut the video, but yeah, there we go. We got the password. So it didn't take too long at all, and that is why password complexity is so important for these sort of files.